Boy, would you look at that. That's a nice row of lettuce right there. How far to space leaf lettuce? I'm going to give you the tips right here. This is a row of lettuce. That's butter crunch on the end. 2 foot of that. 2 foot of romaine. And 2 more feet of romaine. And then it ends with 2 foot of butter crunch. And these are thinned out 3 to 4 inches apart. They were sewn by hand right down the furrowed row. I have a tip on that shortly, how to avoid that, but they came in nicely. So if done correctly, you should get a nice row like this. And this is an 8 foot row. You'll notice it's shady. It's in the afternoon. What we are facing is west. So in the morning, this bed gets a lot of sun, and about 3 o'clock it goes to shade, which is exactly what you want for cool season crops, so they don't stress out from the heat. And it is a raised bed, so you do have to keep an eye out for moisture. Now you can just scatter that seed down the row, but I recommend this. That's a dibber. Those are spaced 1 inch apart, so you just throw your seed in for your spacing. For leaf lettuce, of course, that would be 4 inches apart. Do not just put a seed in, put 2 or 3. They don't all germinate. Use this, find this. You can get it online somewhere, or you could go to your local nursery. Now you can just get, row your hoe your row. 3, 2, 1. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that. Good luck with your garden this year. Here's some more tips over here. Just pick one. Click it. Watch all of it.